Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you like this watch and would like to purchase it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today, I'll be reviewing the Blancpain 50 Fathoms Bathyscaphe reference 5100 1127 W52A in white with a stainless steel case. I'll tell you a little bit about the case, bezel, dial, bracelet movement, finally try it on and give you my thoughts. So let's start with just a little history. Now, the 50 Fathoms is Blancpain's most desirable line and most famous line. They created it around the same time the Rolex Submariner came out, which was in the 50s, and it's since gone on to produce many variations. Currently on their website, there's around 70 plus variations of the 50 Fathoms. They also break the 50 Fathoms down into their into this category or collection, you could say, which is the Bathyscaphe. And it looks, as you see here, has this characteristic case and bezel, not exactly like a 50 Fathoms the diver watch, but like how you see it here. It's a little bit more of a refined version of the same 50 Fathoms. And over the years, since they released this watch, there's been tons of variations. So I'm not going to go through those. But suffice it to say that in the ladies category, which this watch actually can be worn by either a man or a woman, but more likely a woman, because they make a lot of manly ones, and this one is a little bit more feminine, being in the white color and a little bit smaller size, but it doesn't mean it couldn't be worn by a woman. Man, I guess you could call it unisex. But at any rate, the one that you're looking at here, we're going to talk about it. So let's start from the case. Now, the case is 38 millimeters, which makes it on the smaller end of the 50 Fathoms that is released. They have other 50 Fathoms that are quite a bit bigger, ranging 40 plus millimeters for men, but and they all look a bit more manly. They have dark colored dials and bezels. This is one of the few. There's not many that are in white. There's actually a pink one also, which I think is quite feminine. So I'm going to say that one's for females. It's pink and white, but this one's which I'm not sure you can wear that all the time. But this one happens to be white, so that's. It can be worn by a man or a woman. Okay, and on their website, when they show a picture of this worn on a person, they show it on a woman. So most likely, I'm going to say this is a woman's 50 Fathoms. Okay, with that said, let's look at the case, which is 38 millimeters. It's a very small case, and it has very nice lugs. The lugs are nice, but I cannot say they're super special. They are characteristic of the Bathyscaphe. They look a little bit different. They look a little bit more angular than if you compare it to the men's ones, or even if you compare it to the non-Bathyscaphe. That's the collection within 50 Fathoms. The lugs, you can point out, are more angular, which makes the watch look a little bit more dressy, even though it's supposed to be a dive watch. On the men's version, or the non-Bathyscaphe, the lugs are much more pronounced. They're not tapered, which makes it look much more manly. And yeah. Okay. Also, it's 38 millimeters, as I stated. But the case thickness, you might think that the thickness, because most of their 50 Fathoms are actually quite thick, but they managed to keep the thickness down to around 11 millimeters. A little bit less than 11 millimeters, but that keeps the watch remarkably thin. And considering that it has both a time and the date, meaning the date at the 4 o'clock position, so it has everything like, for example, a Datejust would have, or even a Submariner would have, but it doesn't do so with a thicker case, which is a good thing, because I would think that most women would like a watch that's not too thick and cumbersome. They would like one that is slick, streamlined, and can fit under a cuff. So yeah, and the case here, you can see, has a beveled edge, and it has a satin finish to it that really makes the watch look and be a little bit more rugged, because high polish really can scratch very easily, but a satin finish is much less likely to. It has very angular design to it, even though that the lugs are coming in more streamlined. Yeah, it's just a simple case, but a very beautiful case, and somewhat distinct from the non-Bathyscaphe, the automatic 50 fathoms for men. So still, yeah. Okay, that's the case. Let's look at the bezel here. Bezel also going to be in white to match the rest of the watch. I like that they did the bezel and in white. And usually when watches are in white, they actually cost quite a bit more. If you look at, for example, AP, or well, let's just take a look at AP, for example. When they release a white ceramic watch, it goes crazy and the prices just way up. So there's not, a lot of times the white ceramic is quite a desirable material. The bezel here is actually going to be made with an insert that is made of ceramic. So that's good because it keeps it shiny, it doesn't scratch very easily, and it's going to maintain its luster throughout its life, more or less. It's unidirectional because it's, at the end of the day, it's still supposed to be sort of a dive wash. At least that's what the name implies. 50 fathoms means, I think, 50 meters or something like that, or something, 5 bars or something like that. Or anyway, it's some kind of depth that you can dive with this. That's why it's called 50 fathoms. But okay, anyways, it has a white bezel that's made of ceramic. All right, and let's look at the dial here. Also quite legible, and they kind of mixed it up a bit here, and it departs from the normal 50 fathoms, which is usually index or triangular on the hour markers. Here they put little dots, and they put at the 12.369 they put these index markers, which I think also breaks it up and makes it look a little bit more funky. And then I like how they put the date indescriptly at the 4 o'clock position, so you can have that. And then, of course, the hands are pretty interesting. You don't usually see hands like this. They don't have any curvature to them. They're literally a rectangle. So, yeah, that's also a departure from their other 50 fathoms, the non-Bathyscaphe. So they try to really make it look distinct without making it change its DNA. So it still looks different, but not unrecognizable, which I think is a pretty nice touch to it. And of course, it's in white. Okay, let's look at the strap here. Now, this is going to be, I like this kind of strap. It's actually, this strap is really fashionable at the moment. It's called the sail canvas. It looks like a canvas or like a clothing strap, and it's very durable. It looks much more casual, and it really matches the watch. So I think with the white strap, white bezel, it just all looks cohesive. So yeah, it's pretty nice. And let's look at, now you can choose, by the way, you can choose to put this with a pin buckle, which is what it comes with. And you can actually change the strap to other straps. They make a lot of different straps, NATO straps and so on. But I really like it on this white one. So I'd actually say you'd probably be doing better to keep it on the strap it's on. Let's look at the movement here. Now the movement is going to be a caliber 1150 automatic. Can you believe that? It's actually automatic. And get this, it's actually unbelievable. The power reserve on here is 100 hours. Just to give you some reference, the leaders in watches are probably Audemars, Patek, and Rolex, which all are at approximately 70 hours of power reserve. Blancpain figured out to add more than 40% with a power reserve of 100 hours. Can you believe that? It's incredible. So that means you can wear this watch for around 4 days and not have any issue. You can pick it up and it'll still work after 4 days. So those other companies, it's going to be around 3 days. So, 30-40% more. It's quite fantastic, actually. Not to mention, you get an open case back with a very beautiful movement. And I like how they didn't do the rotor in gold. It's in black here because I think it sort of matches the coolness, and I think gold would have just made it look a little too fancy. But keeping it with this black just makes it look much more casual. So I like that. It looks quite nice. Okay, time to try this watch on my wrist and give me my thoughts. As I said, it could be for a man or a woman, but I'm going to probably say it's a little bit better on a woman. And it's I like the Blancpain. I think I like the 50 Fathoms, definitely. It's their best version that they make. And I think they just do a great job of it, making a lot of different variations so that both men and women could wear it. And I like that they did that. I wish actually Rolex would do something like that, to make their most popular, sports watches available to the ladies. The only one that Rolex makes available is their Yachtmaster, and that's not even that great of a model. It's not their most famous model. So for Blancpain to really go out there and make a ladies version of their most successful line, I think it's really a good thing. And you get to wear something unique. So look, if you want to buy at the lowest price anywhere online, the retail prices on this is around $12,000 and change, but we're selling it at jazztime.com for much less than that. And on all Blancpains, we're getting quite a good discount. We're asking almost 30% off. It's around $9,000 or so. And the same thing that you would get at the authorized dealer, except you don't have to pay the authorized dealer price. So look, if you want to buy it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.